welcome back to another exciting episode of the At the Ends of Eras video game development stream, where I develop the video game At the Ends of Eras and then stream it on the show. But today I'm not even developing a game, I'm designing characters. I'm tired of other things. I'm tired of not having the game look pretty. So what I'm going to be doing for at least the last bits of February, and maybe a bit of March, will be some visuals, primarily the characters. And then I'll probably go back to writing more stuff for the quests, finishing them up. And then I'll do some environmental stuff. You know, make these buildings a little less placeholder. But okay. We have several characters that I want to design. Let's go to probably February, probably this one, character design, models. There's lots and lots of things that I want. Because I want to start working on the foundations on which all of the characters can be built. And I also reviewed the footage and I realized that my little guys, so if we go here, I forgot how quickly I can model things, but these are also pretty simple. These guys were modeled, rigged, and animated in like 3 hours. So when I put my mind to it, I should probably be able to get, you know, how long do we have? Like, I guess 10 days. Not very long at all, honestly. Also, 1 point of damage because this is not in this thing here. But yeah. So like, base female body, and then specific characters, and then 3... basically outfits that are going to be standard, a burqa, niqab, hijab outfits. Because one of the big constraints of the game is just the, like, country that it takes place in, being, like, a very conservative Muslim country. So I've been looking at reference of, like, basically people in, like, Afghanistan, so it's, like, women and then men. So this is, for those who don't know, this is what a burqa is. And then there is, I believe this is what would be, like, a niqab. And then most women would probably wear a hijab, which is more, like, open. Though, I know also, in, like, more rural areas, they don't have any hair showing. And then, like, so it'd be more like this style, or maybe all black. Well, typically all black as well. And then we have different outfits for, like, men. Because there's this very sort of common outfit of just, like, sort of just a simple, like, one-piece outfit and then loose pants underneath it is pretty common. Vests are pretty big. Lots of vests. See them everywhere. And then I also have, like, Iranian people. And so there's a wide spread of outfits from, like, the more traditional, sort of more conservative, like, all black get-ups, and then, like, explicitly traditional, and then just, like, more modern outfits with just, like, a headscarf, and then just, like, normal dress shirts and t-shirts and things like that. And so there's going to be a few different avenues that I am going to consider for designing this city, because it's not a very big town. But it is meant to be, like, it is sort of the rural or the urban center of the city. And it has the train station connecting it directly to, like, larger parts of the country. So I'm trying to think of, like, what sort of mix of, like, modernity and, like, more traditional fashion do I want? And then there's also more police and military style stuff. Because there's going to be, I need to design soldiers as well. So I've been looking at, for example, like, militant groups, and then also, like, this is actually from an article about the Taliban changing the police uniforms. And so this is actually all Taliban specifically. But then there's actually, like, you know, the military of the Afghan Republic, for example. So you see, very common features in a lot of countries in the area is the flat-brimmed hats, the berets, flat colors for, like, uniforms. And then also I was thinking maybe I could draw more from historical things, since Jackie, for example, is very kind of out of time. So if we go to like base mesh, the player, you know, she's sort of strange in that she's wearing like almost an old-fashioned like horse riding outfit, but then she has the modern-ish fingerless gloves and like short hair. So there's already sort of anachronistic design elements. So I'm wondering like how much of that should I bring into different outfits? So like these are the Umayyad, or yeah, like Umayyad Empire clothing, and then like Ottoman clothing, and then we have like a few different groups in Yemeni. There's the Houthi or Ansarullah, and then the actual military and police of the country. And you'll see the common features again, like the berets. Not really many. Oh yeah, there are some flat caps here. And so I'm trying to think over. Oh, and this is the Iranian military and Iranian police. And they have just the round-topped baseball caps in at least these images. And then they, again, the berets. I think that's probably going to be, for police officers and like the military, that I think is going to be one of our common things. But I think I should probably start with the base characters. So let's see. So I'll let you look at Jackie, because I need to figure out where all of that is. Because I had some concept art for the like base character bodies. And I think we'll just start with that, like the blank template. I guess should be in C. Should I... Okay, concept art, I think. Characters, maybe? Do we have? No, we don't have. Maybe people? Where did I put it? I probably should have put some thought into this. Or like It's gonna be kind of a problem if I can't find it. Maybe it's in assets? Characters? There's the albedo. Female? I know this is where... Okay, I know I started on the base, like, female body. And also, I think for both of them, I need a rigging for, like, long fabric. Because for both men and women, you can have fabric that's going all the way down to, like, the mid-calf on men, and all the way down to the ankles on women. So I should have, like, consider that in, like, my modeling and rigging. Yeah, and this was basically just ripping off Jackie's mom's mesh. This isn't quite right. Anyway. Like, because for a simple base rig... What do I want for the base rig? Because I'm trying to think, what are the components of the outfit that I want to be modular? For example, we should probably have the headwear be like a separate thing. And then I think footwear I can keep as it is. Actually, what do women traditionally wear? Hang on. I don't have any footwear. Like, specifically of women. I guess... Because they're just wearing sneakers. Oh yeah, that was also a strange thing I noticed with, for some reason, Taliban soldiers often wear, like, huge sneakers. I'm not, like, you would think, like, oh, that's just just one guy, but there's, like, multiple people who were wearing, like, huge, like, high-top sneakers, basically. Very strange. But okay, I have no idea what they'd wear. Probably some sort of sandal like that. That's what I was thinking. Because all of the men that I've seen are typically wearing sandals. Or dress shoes, I guess. But yeah, okay. Let us first conceptualize. What are the components of the character, and how do we, like, model this? I think I'm gonna do file, open recent, no, file new, maybe? General, don't save. So we're gonna need to link, okay, let's start with characters, female, NPC base fem, object. Where's the head? Should be hat? Oh wait, no, I didn't need to link it. I needed to link the whole thing. I'm an idiot. Okay. We need to link the entire collection. Collection. There we are. Because I'm going to append her actual hat or headwear, and then we'll have that saved separately as like a separate mesh. And we'll need the head shape, and we'll also need the eyebrow shape, I think. And then we can keep the body itself as a separate model. And also, I'm debating if I should... I guess I'll need to also separate the entire outfit. So we'll just have, like... I think probably just... Well, the base model will actually look quite similar to this because I do still need the dress to actually do the rigging for it. But okay. We now append. Because we're going to append the... append the what have you. This. Did I append it? Oh, I see, I did. Okay. So this is going to be... Good job. Then we don't need these. And then... I think... Let's call this, like, headwear? And eventually I need to make it look a little bit, like, better. Because if we look, it does weird I'm doing weird things to the head shape that are not actually done normally. Yeah, because I have a very big, like, or like a very tiny neck that doesn't really, like, accurately describe it. But okay. We need to make a content, selected in content. There we go. And we're gonna reparent this to that, so that way I can delete that, and that way I can hopefully test the positioning here to make sure that it still works. Oh, and then also, we now need to go back to the female base, delete this. I guess that works as like a base mesh. For now, at least. See, I should set this as like the default, like just random material color, so that way I know like what part of the body is what. But okay, and then we can just rename this. I guess we can't rename that. Yeah, now we should be able to... No, we can't be able to do that. Wait, what the hell did I... Okay. So we need to get this, Control P, armature deform with, oh wait, no. I think I know what we need to do. Modifier, armature. There. And now that works. And I guess for now, I'll say that that's okay. So now I'm going to make an alternate outfit bit. So who should I start with? I think I'm going to start with Riley. Also, I took another point of damage because I went down here for this. I guess let's export this. Characters, female. Let's do like headwear. Data placeholder also YouTube. Oh, it's just too good to keep playing. But okay. That seems good. I'm thinking about also what am I going to do? So for NPCs, NPC outfit system. I already have the character's mom. Also, this is a little bit matter. Okay, so if we go to like mom here, you already have an outfit system and like the base mesh and stuff. And so I think I need to make this consistent with the rest of it. So what do we already have here? We already have dynamic character, and we have our slots. So this basically just says where, like, on the mesh we attach certain things, and that's good. Yeah, because I knew that I was going to be using this system for other characters, and now the time has come to finally see if, like, that work will pay off at all. Because I think most of this seems good. Because yeah, we basically just have full body, hat, shirt, pants, head, eyebrows, hair. I think I may want to have a system for just having clothes take up multiple slots. Like the reason I have a full body is because sometimes I need to override the shirt and pants, but it'd be better if an item of clothing just tracked that itself. That, like, this one uses the shirt and pants, but not the hat, for example. But I think that's going to be too complicated for me. So what I'll do instead... Let's see, we have an outfit. How does this actually work? It just does full body, hat, pants, shirt, eyebrows, hair, eyes, face. I guess this is as good as it is. And I'll just start, like, trying to figure out how to make the NPCs work with this stuff. Because what I think I'm going to try is making a very simple, like, NPC customizing tool just so that I can see it working in real time. And then, like, try to put in randomized NPCs. In fact, I might migrate... You know what? I'll do that, actually. As well. We have a lot of stuff from Jackie's mom. And most of it is still good. Yeah, okay. Most of that's good. So let's just start by migrating that stuff into here. So let's open up Let's go to mum. Yeah, dynamic mum is now going to be... So all of these, I think... Hang on, I need my... I was going to draw stuff, but I'm not going to draw stuff now. So I need my, like, keyboard and everything back in order. Okay, there we go. I think I'm just going to move all of this stuff here into GLB characters female. Did this ever work? No, this never worked. I started on it and then just didn't do it. Do we need outfits as a separate thing, actually? I don't think so, really. Let's keep mum where she is, but let's move, like, these to, an outfit section, so like characters female, headwear, new folder, full body. Because we don't need, like, all of this stuff in here. This GLP. Do we need anything else? I think that'll be fine. Okay, and let's also split off the head and the eyebrows as separate meshes now. Maybe. Well, I guess I could just keep them as, like, the default. And let's also have, like, yeah, that's fine, I guess. So, like, here, what we need is, keep on... Do we need this? Hang on. Files.mesh. Yeah, we can just have a base, like, full body eyebrows. That'll be fine. So now I think what I can do is completely replace the mum, like, base scene with the, full body, or wait, like, with the base mesh. And, like, if we go to the outfit here, for example, this one is now going to be this full body instead, and this one's going to be this head, and then eyebrows going to be the base eyebrows. Well, I guess maybe not by default. Maybe it'll be this weird, like, primordial head by default, because I think everything else kind of is the same as it's going to be. Okay, and let's add new folder, hair. Took it a while to do that. Hair, ponytail, sun hat, GLB, hair full. Do we use all of these? Also, I think the sun hat is probably not a hair thing. Is it? I'll figure that out soon. A lot of these I'll need to update the GLB, like, export paths. But okay, let's do some hacking. I'm going to go to our TSCN. TSCN, so, like, mum.glb. And there we are. So this character's mum. I don't think any of this... I'll keep the animations the same, probably. Oh yeah, these will all be fine. Anything that's in these like animation packs, I'll keep separate, because that'll be its own can of worms to deal with. Okay, so where was mom.glb? Okay. Also, doesn't this inherit or like base? I don't understand how it like knows that this path is going to be the right one, but oh well. Let's just do glb / characters / female / what is it called, like base fem, npc base fem. All right, let's see that in action. She kind of worked. Dynamic character, invalid get index hat on base dictionary. Ah, because she no longer has a hat. This is going to be a mesh instance hat. And the skeleton is skeleton? Okay. Let's try that now. It kind of worked, but it's not quite right for obvious reasons. Also, I don't know why her feet are different. Oh, is it? Oh, I see. Okay. I guess let's fix that here. Let's fix that in the scene that has it, actually. So we'll just... I don't know what that was, but oh well. Why do we have 2 material slots here? And why did it take like 12 trillion years to... Okay, delete that. Then get out of edit mode. What is wrong with you, Blender? Hang on, I should... Like, can we select this and then, like, assign it here? Like, I don't know what the deal is with that. Okay. Now if we go back. She kind of works, but her, well, everything's changed. Mouth material. I think it must be then that the mesh needs a material associated with it that is not here. Okay, another resources is loaded from path law, possible cyclic reference. None of that's true. Invalid that's clear. Hang on, let's close all of these. Okay, no errors there, but there are plenty of issues with the outfit still. Oh, this is because that's no longer that. We need this one, actually. The Mum Primordial. I guess we move the head here? Yeah, let's move that. So, new folder. Head. In fact, we need to rename this to head shape. I don't know why every time I like talk on stream, but only on stream, not in like casual conversation, my throat just like clogs up with shit. It's weird. And I just have to hack and wheeze my way through every single sentence. Drives me crazy. But okay. Primordial. We have the primordial hair, and then we have primordial GLB. So this now goes up to head shape. Okay, and that was the obvious issue there. Oh, wrong thing. And then I think I can just delete all of the other, like, mum stuff, like, or at least all the, like, GLBs. Also, what are these, like, meshes doing here? I don't think these are... Do these go anywhere? Okay, I guess so. There's a lot of, like, crazy stuff that I designed that is not correct. But okay, I think all of this... Oh, young mum. But okay, now we see that working. The dress does not work. The shoes are wrong as well. And that's presumably because we need the material here from the, like, matte mum.material. Yeah. And somehow the, like, shoes have gotten associated with the wrong material as well. So I don't understand that. So what is the green here from? Matte mouth. Matte. So, like, is this anything? Like, do we use this anywhere? So if I select this. Okay, so it's attached to there. Well, I think the way to do it is to have both of these... I don't know what I want with this. No, I do know what I want. Material 1. So, or this material... I know what it's going to be. By default, material indices. The first will be skin, by default. And then coat, like. And then the custom textures. Yeah, so we have it swapped around. Well, I mean, I guess that's what it should be. I guess I already have this here as this. I'll keep it as it is, you know? Because what it is the opposite of what I have. Where it has the custom texture, then the skin, then the coat. And so that actually means we should probably have this up, this down. Because I'm going to want the texture here for the shoes to be distinct. But then the texture here to be our, like, fabric pattern. Okay, that seems good. And then the real question is going to be, how do I make the outfit track its texture? But okay. See, now it actually, like, has the thing, and that looks good-ish. It's just the material is now really weird. Do we even need this character to be... I was about to say, like, should I make this just, like, the NPC, that, like, the template for NPCs, and just, like, rename that to, like, dynamic character or something? Because I could do that. And then, like, have Mum be an inherited scene from this. I might. I'll think on that. What does this load from, actually? Mum/anim. Fair enough. But okay, this basically does what I want, except now we just need to, like, be able to store the material that's associated with this mesh. Which I think I'm just gonna do by having, do I want a new material, or do I want, like, a new resource for that? Basically, my problem is, the mesh itself can kind of track what material it has, so if we go to, like, full body. So this is what NPZ mum base full body. I can put a material, I think, here. But I think we're just gonna, like, You know what? I can do that. I can just set it here, I think. I can make sure of that, though. But okay, so material 0. Okay, so that does kind of work how I want it to. The real question is, though, if I edited anything here and then save it, will that still be preserved, or will I have to do that again? Huh, okay, it actually does work. Maybe. Okay, well, that makes that easy. And then I can figure out, you know, what I want to do with the actual, like, materials of them. In fact, that's going to be kind of important. To have, you know, something that's not here. What am I trying to say? Like, do we have, like, a coat? I think we should just have this coat material here as, like, coat material. Let's have that. Exports. Well, we don't need that on the NPC themselves. We need that on the outfit.coat material. And that will now attach to the outfit.gd. Which I guess can just have exports coats, var coats. Coats? Oh wait, no. Godot 3 is a broken clown engine. So what I have to do is I have to make a new coat. Go to outfits. So like visual month priority. Do I even need this? Oh, I guess I do, kind of. Because basically there's a full body NPC. Okay, and we don't need bald anymore. But okay, let's also just have a new folder coat. Or like fabrics. New resource coat. Mum primordial. For this one, I want something that's kind of subtle. So it'll probably just be like a light blue, like a very light bluish color, to a slightly darker, more turquoise color. Very low saturation, though. Okay. So now if we go back to here and we do the primordial.tres. And then when we do dot coat, we actually need to do dot get material, I think. Wherever, wait, coat.gd. Hang on, I need to rename this one to like coat, like mesh or something. Okay, so we have like an init generate material. That's fine. Let's actually get like a var coat material here. And that'll be like coat material. And then like when we generate the outfit, var coat material, oh no, this coat material equals outfit dot coat dot generate material. There we are. So that way, if we close this and then reopen it, she should have her beautiful coat, which is, as you can see, very plain, and that's exactly what I wanted. Basically just flat white. Okay, so if I go into like proof of concept, it's been so long since I've actually like done anything with the with Jackie's mom, you know, the like central pillar of the game's story allegedly, that I don't even know if she'll work still. I guess cancel. We're not gonna load the game. Alright, it's also cold in here. Apparently. But okay, we have her. Okay, let's read. Also, let's go to dialogue UI. I kind of want the ability to like hide this thing at any point. But okay, it works. I'll come back later. Wasn't there some sort of like global or like debug mum? Right. Let's debug pick layer. Yes. Yes. No. No. Okay, so that kind of works, I think. I think her outfit is not the right texture, though. I think it's a flat white. No, I think it's correct. Okay, that's all great. I'll see you next time, Mom. Oh, okay. It's just very white. You can see the very subtle fabric. So I think... Okay, so I think that kind of works. Let's say that I've, like, refactored Mum to use the generic system. Factor Mum to be a generic base. And then also, we can have Mum young, or young Mum. So we no longer need this, I think. I don't think we use this. Because I think I can just, like, make her smaller. Like, because there's... If we go into here, we have a scale. Oh. Animation not found, scale change. And that's because this loads from Jackie for some reason, which is very strange. Because it should load from characters mum anim. Okay, that explains all that. How do I clear all of the animations from here? I guess we just remove all of them. Crazy, she almost works with Jackie's animations, too. Imagine, playable mother in video game. We're in the seas. And what I might do is I might completely abandon the idea of using the animation tree just because it's so hard to use it. Because what my heart and soul is telling me to do is make my own animation tree editor. Because I think I can do it better than Godot's. But what I should probably do is make some sort of like hacky, like JSON-based thing. Just for now. Because otherwise I'm going to spend eons, you know, fiddling with the editing of it. I'm surprised that these animations mostly work. Or at least seem to work, mostly. Like, well, yeah. Well, the dress doesn't work. That seems to be the obvious issue. Okay. So now, if we try this again, she should have the, like, correct animations associated with her. Yeah, there she is. And then we can change her size through this, which means I'm almost certain I don't need the actual, like, separate mom object here. Basically, go back to here, go to here, give this one the same treatment. Where we just do female, base, femme, what was it called again? NPC base femme. So, what happened? Oh, hat. No longer has hat. So we do a mesh instance. Hat. Ah, there's an issue. In fact, wait, hang on. If we did... Is it because she's scaled? I think she might just be... I think I might have just made her physically smaller by scaling her down. No, I guess not. Then why is the head all weird? Like, maybe the full body. I mean, let's go to the tree and see. Yeah, because her hat is just not in the right place. Why is this like this? What does this mean? Is there even anything in here that would, like, change this? Does the... Oh, I see. Maybe this needs to be, like, removed there, and then remove that? Okay, that makes sense. I was fiddling with the... Okay. Hang on, let's go to primordial hair. Why is this so, like, crazy looking? Oh. Why do we need all of this stuff? What even is this? Why is it, like... I don't know. I don't know what's up with this thing. I think it must be because I put... Okay, I think I maybe understand. Jackie, like, this mesh actually is up here, but it follows the bones, and the bones are down here for some reason. Very confusing. Does this happen on, like, Mom herself? Like, if I select her hair? Because, like... Yeah, okay. It does happen, actually. But okay, so now what we can do for Mum is... Maybe even have... Can I make this have a negative blend? Like, shrink her down? In fact, do we even need, like, Mum Young as a separate entity? I could just have, like, a unique outfit and then just shrink her body. I'm gonna do that. Let's just completely delete Mum Young. Let's go to the illusory room. Young. Or Young. Is that... Okay, I guess I'll just delete this. Yeah. Because we also don't need this one either. So, don't we have, like, scale or, like, size? Height? Big? Okay. Let's go to dialogue. Main, or, like, quest major. Medium. Medium.dialogue. Young. So we're not going to do this now. We're just going to do Mum or, like, Little Mum. Huh. Do I need to do anything with Show Mum then? Not really. I can just do this now. And then we should probably have, like, the scale set in here somewhere. Like function. Where do I set her scale? Because I think I should probably figure out where I do that. Yeah. Big here. So configure outfit. Anim tree parameters big, add amount. We're just going to do outfit.height. Oh, I guess. Alright, so we don't even need that. Oh wait, no, we kind of do. Parameters. So some of these animations are now going to be like common to all NPCs. But okay. Let's do like o.height equals or like if global dot has stat mum/height. We're gonna do o.height equals global dot stat mum/height. And then we're gonna have this in the actual outfit instead. Because basically, I just realized this is when we configure the outfit, we just load it and then we just edit the thing. And so we don't need any of that. At least we don't need to worry too much about any duplicated code because it's not actually duplicated logic. What I'm going to do instead is if, or let's just say outfit actually. Anim tree. I guess we export node path var animation tree. And then var anim tree equals tree equals get node tree. Oh, this is an export. Oh wait, no, that's fine. Perfect. Okay. And now what I can do is I can get that. And that means that I can just set the character's height to 0. Which doesn't fix too much stuff, because now... Well, should I fiddle with this too much? I won't for now. We will have to have something like this for all NPCs, though. And actually, now that I've realized that, I've put myself in a hell of my own design. Well, I guess not that badly. We just need the 2 animations. We need scale change. And we need... So reset, walk, custom node, scale change. Okay, that seems fair. But I'm going to use the bathroom, so I'll be back in a minute. And then I'll have to figure out how I'm going to actually make all the NPCs have common animations and stuff. Okay, I'm back. And the music has inexplicably turned itself off, which is cool. Okay, now it's back. But I don't need to fiddle too much with this right now. What I should start doing... Oh, wait. I haven't even turned this on yet. Okay. I don't need to fiddle much with the NPCs at the moment, because what I should do is I should start designing NPCs that can have randomized outfits. Or, I guess, or customizable, but... Should I make it so that every NPC can have a customizable outfit? Let's figure this out. Let's do... let's change this to a kinematic body. So this will be like NPC fem. And then... Also, I should probably have the little man. So we have the 4 genders. We have... Well, there's going to be... Actually, do we need anything from here anymore? I guess we do. Oh yeah, we do. Yeah, custom mum and stuff like that. And then the female base here. So I don't think we need any custom stuff. We kind of do. Okay. I'll think on that. Just put a, for now, collision shape, and then also put down the fem shape in here. Oh, do I have to... Can I change the type of this by default? Like... Okay, so that just wipes that. But that does mean that we need sort of a new... Oh, we're gonna need this anyway, I think, for like... I don't understand if we will. Just put in outfits, npc base fem.tscn. That's fine. And then we'll just put npc base fem in here. And then we'll have our capsule shape. I'll have to figure out a way to like scale this properly with the height, but we'll do that later. Entities, NPC, NPC fem. And then I think I need to now change how the... Let's change how this works. So this extends spatial, and we can have the export node path var... Wait, do we even need the armature, actually? Hang on. This node path var base equals or like armature node path dot. So by default it'll be you know, internal. But then for like the base, what it's going to be is so dynamic character. So she will have an armature there, and that way I can control it without having to make everything editable. It's like for the femme here, we can have the... Oh, actually, even better idea. Remove it from here, put it on the character. No, wait. Then I can't have the... Then I can't reuse the same logic for everything else. Because these characters now need, like, NPC nav and all that. Or npc.gd. So we need this now. For example, body mesh. This is going to be tricky, actually. Let's also get NPC nav as like a... Perfect. Do we need dialogue checker? I don't think by default we do. And then ledge grab ray. How much stuff do we need from the standard NPC to make a human NPC work? We'll need at least this. What the heck's this? I don't think we need this node anymore, do we? I don't think we do. I think this was used for, like... It was, like, the zone where the NPCs had dialogue. But okay, let's grab all three of these. Put them there. What's up there? Oh, wait, no. I think this might need to be even taller now. I guess I'll keep it as it is. Oh yeah, wait, actually, this should not be too far out. It should be, like, there. Then we'll also need to make sure the collisions are the same. 10, 17, 13. And this goes to... Oh. Do we really need edible children? That seems so overkill to just, like, get that one thing. Like, can I, like, now make it the children not editable? And then we still have this attached? Yeah, okay. And so, do we even need... So we need standing, sitting, jump, fall. Let's get a list of all the animations that we need. Animations we need. Because I'm thinking for children, we actually want to shrink them. But okay, sitting. Standing, jump, fall, walk, run, idle. And we have pause, and then we have the change size. Or scale change. And I think what I'd actually want is, like, as I said, shrink and grow. So that way we can have, like, this as, like, our baseline height, and then we can get bigger or smaller. I don't think this is... Yeah, this isn't gonna work right now. So I think let's go to... Open dynamic mum, anim, medium dot blend. Do I want all four, like walk left, walk, look right? And also this should be like shielded, so that way it doesn't get deleted. Also, we're gonna need to change which collection we use. We're gonna need, I guess I can keep it as it is for now. Yeah, and I might actually remake, or like, bring back this subtly different hijab, because this one, you can see some of the hair, and then the, like, new, like, base one, you can't, by default. Skin, hang on. We're gonna now need, like, I'm not, I guess, I have no idea what of these is actually going to be consistent between, like, if we go to outfit. I'm not sure. Oh yeah, also, we need root.get node. Like, var a equals get node armature. Yeah. And then we do a dot get node that. So that way I don't have to redo all of the slots on all of the NPCs. And also we should probably just have hat, head. Yeah, we should just have all of these also on the mum. In fact, we can just... I have a good idea. We get all those, attach them. We get all these. We attach them here. That was not quite what I wanted. Okay, I guess it kind of works. And then we don't actually need the hair to exist here. Oh, I see. It's because the hair there, okay. That seems good. So what I'm going to do now is just delete these four. Because we're going to redo the mum again. So where does it say the base fem? This is now going to be TSCN, and it's going to be outfits. So now if we go here, look at that. She has all her things. She has all her beautiful things, except hat. In base dictionary. Why is hat in base dictionary not existent? Hang on. Clear this. Do that. Try this again. So 42. Skeleton slash hat. I mean, it exists. Should exist. Like, we have it here. And I think this actually means that I don't need any of this to be editable. Oh wait, but this is, we're inheriting the scene anyway, so it doesn't matter. So yeah, now the big question on everyone's mind. Invalid get index hat on base dictionary. Why does that mean her hair disappears, though? But also, it should exist in the dictionary, because nodes should have it. Oh, if a dot has node. Wait, what? This is... Okay, I see. It just decided to be wrong. Invalid get index height on base outfit. Okay, that's better. Exports, floats, 0, 1, var, height equals 0. And then we can set this by default. Oh, wait. We already have size. Wait, what? Oh, yeah. I literally was already ahead of myself on this. Dot height size. And then I think we can go back to mom. There we go. And she has all her outfit and stuff. Perfect. And so the big question now is going to be, how the hell do I get the NPCs their outfits properly? And also I'm thinking, if the NPC does not have a coat. So like, let's do like, if coat, or like coat. Let's do like, if not outfit dot coat, outfit dot coat equals new. What is our like default? So we should do a true random from, yeah, let's do true. Actually, what are the rarities again? So plain, fashionable, tailored. Let's go up to fashionable. Dot plain coat dot rarity dot fashionable, maybe? Maybe this needs to be decided NPC by NPC, like in the outfit we should decide the rarity of the coat. Well, no, if I want to decide the rarity of the coat, I can just decide the coat. Like, this is just what randomly generates it. And then every NPC probably needs their own randomly generated outfit now, which is going to be kind of a nightmare. Well, I guess it's not that bad. Okay, let's just go to proof of concept. Let's put in a generic NPC female. So, like, will this even work? Will the game crash? I think the little man. No? Okay. I mean, mum does not quite work. Oh wait, no, she does work. It's because, it's because she's controlled by those materials, I think. Alright. So you have NPC stuff. I just thought I'd mention it. Take care. And we can just jump on top of her head. Okay. So they're like kind of working. So how do I want to design the outfits? I want them to be generated at build time. Or no, like, you know, during yeah, I know what to do. Let's have random outfit as just a boolean here. Are these tool? No, these aren't tool. I mean, I guess I can do... How do I want to generate an NPC's outfit? Because I need like a distribution of items that they can draw from, and that's depending on the gender. Well, I guess I shouldn't focus too much on that right now. Instead, I'll just focus on making it implementable. And with that, we don't actually even... We can just do, like for now, a rather clunky system where, you know, we get the female and here we just edit the outfit directly. So we have all of our slots. And we're going to make like a outfit. So we need to go all the way down. 1,000,000 miles. New outfit. Ooh. Nice. Let's do the neutralize for now. So we have like... So I set... So that should be under outfit. Actually, there's going to be a lot of stuff that's now under outfit, like coats, for example. A lot of the players' outfits can be moved here. But I'll think of that later. Yeah, because really, ideally, the player would also be in this. Like, the player would also be part of this same rig. But I think that ship has well and truly sailed at this point. I mean... Yeah, no. That's gonna be way too difficult to manage. I'd have to, like, redo all of this at this point. Well, yeah, it's gonna be too much. I think what I should do, though... New folder, female... I guess it'll probably be pretty obvious. It'll be, like, self-evident what is and isn't for women and men. Okay. A neutral set of eyes. The hair will be the, good job. So we make this import the separate mesh file, wherever that is, mesh. That would go into hap. Do we need anything else? I guess eyebrows. And then I think head is fine with that. Full body. There. Iris. Let's get the... What iris do we want? Face. I guess it's like transparent. So basically, by default, the skin can have, so these face textures or skin textures are just like blemishes by default. And then coat, and then I guess a new gradient here of like, I don't know, let's do like a dark brown to like a slightly lighter brown. Let's see if this even works. So if we close other tabs and then go back to proof. She did not. Generate material in base resource coat. The method get node isn't declared in the current class. Expected a constant expression. Are there even enemies in this area? Why are there enemies? I don't need that here. Okay. The real bug is the little man stuff. Oh wait, no. That's also not the bug. Node not found blank relative to blah. Okay. Outfit, so outfit.coat, coat.new, generate material. So that should work. And I don't know what, yeah, there's so much stuff that's like, so skeleton slash shirt. And node proof of concept, NPC base fem. Oh, it should be, hang on. If we go back to here, or if we go to, okay, I see what I did. This needs to be armature. And then we should be able to have the proof of concept. So if we go back to proof now, she's not quite, I mean, not as many bugs happened. So invalid call, generate material, non-existent function new in base GD script. Code could not be fully loaded. What's the issue, Doc? So there's somehow a circular dependency, I think. Because this should work. Yeah, because the code script is fine. Dynamic character, invalid call new in base GD script. So that's line 41 where we get the code. But why? If I just close it and reload it again, will that work? So if I go back to proof of concept. Also, hopefully it hasn't completely like deleted all of my outfit that I made painstakingly. I mean, I'm almost 100% certain it has. Oh no, it hasn't. Look at that. It actually saved it. Just to keep my sanity, let's save this one after we scroll through everything in the entire world. Areas, tests, proof of concept. So this is going to be like a test outfit. Like, I hope I don't need to construct any of these other things. Node not found blah relative to illusory room characters, mom, little man. Armature. See, I'm not sure what the node that it's looking for is. Probably one of these. No, we have those there. Cutscene oh, probably the cutscene player. No, that's fine. I mean, I guess I can remove it for now, because I don't... Well, no, I use it in, like, one instance. But I'm not going to use it in that instance in the demo, so I should probably remove that, because I'm going to figure out what I'm going to do with the cutscenes instead. And then we don't scene play. Identifier visual name, but we don't need any of that. Invalid call non-existent function set shader param in base nil. Okay. Oh, actually, that fixed it. That did fix it. The coat works now. Now the issue is we actually do need all of those materials on this thing. So let's go back to mum. So, like, what even is this? Okay, skin material, face material. Do we need the animation tree here? I think we probably do. I dot shader. GD shader. There we go. Okay, Godot, I'll fill out the form in triplicate. There we go, Godot. Is that good enough? Okay, and then hair material. Is it? I think it's coat.gd shader actually. For this. And then we use like the hair here. Isn't there like a hair palette? Yeah, like hair detail. And then hair detail 1. Oh wait, no, that goes there. This is cleared there. And I guess no subsurface color for now. Now let's do a little bit of like a dark red, maybe. Like something like that. Detail scale, specularity. I guess those are all fine. Let's make the default specularity like 2. No, wait, no. This is the coat. So it should stay as it is by default. Okay, so all of these also need to be local to the scene. There we are. And then, oh wait, no. That outfit's gone there. Okay, and actually, it's getting closer. So if we close all of this, and then we do hair material, oh wait, no. Proof of concept. Oh, and I'm seeing now, actually, I think the way that this NPC works is that they don't set the materials by default. And by that I mean, yeah, we don't set, well, I mean, I guess we should just set these. Like, match M, or N. For n in nodes, m equals nodes m is mesh instance, if not m continue. Ted hat that. And you know what, let's also set whatever the hell we set here. No, wait, no. We don't need that. I'm trying to understand, like, what I actually want here. Like, why are we not getting the materials set properly? Because actually, now that I'm looking at this, it should be setting all the materials when it sets any of the, like, outfit stuff. Because it just iterates through all of the nodes. What's the error here? The method scene play isn't declared in the current class. No, that's not. Okay. I guess let's clear, like, the 10 quadrillion things there. Maybe now it works? No. Dynamic character, 81. Invalid set index. Parameters, big add amount. On base, animation tree with value of type float. That makes sense, because it isn't here. Do an add to of, like, big. And it's just going to do nothing right now. Oh. She, looks like she's seen better days, but otherwise she's okay. I see the hair color does not manifest. Oh, probably because I didn't set it. Oh, wait, no, I did set it. Hair color. Oh, I guess we can set it somewhere in hair material. Do we have a? Oh yeah, we do have a hair material. If outfit dot hair material or hair color material dot set shader param hair material gradient texture G new. Wait, can we not set the, like, parameters of it in the constructor? I guess we can't. Okay. G.gradient equals outfit dot hair color G.width equals 32 G. Okay, so there's some I have some qualms. Let's do like 0.4 and then maybe like okay, let's copy that over to the default eye material, which will hopefully be consistent. So that was what? 0.4, and then what? 0.144. And then I'm thinking a darker skin color. And probably a less, like, bizarre shade of brown for the eyes, or the brows. Okay, so the real question now... Oh, right, I didn't do the... I think this one is what I need. Hey, look at that. Can't believe that actually works. So what I kind of would like is the ability to, like, reset the outfit. And that's just going to be... I wish I could just have a button to refresh the node. Oh, well, I'll just have a function. Export bool bar preview refresh set get set preview refresh function this b if b refresh, and that way I can just do this. Oh, right, and it also needs to do preview refresh equals b. And then I can, like, actually change, for example, I could darken the skin color. And then, like, preview that. Didn't work. I thought it would work. Does it? Why don't it work? Can I, like, do that? No. Oh, okay, I see. Invalid get index hair on base dictionary. That is not true. Nodes.hair.hide. Head attach hair. If we go down to here, head attach hair. Also, I'm going to change the type of this to a position 3D. There we go. She's turning like purple. I don't know what I did with the skin texture here. Like, what if we turn her like green? Grinchly green. And then we do this again. Okay, so now it works. That's good. The real question is, how do I actually, like, pick good skin colors through this system? And how am I going to, like, randomly distribute skin colors? They're very red. The people are very red here. Actually, wait. Didn't I have... Wasn't I going to change how the subsurface scattering works? Oh, right. I was. In fact, didn't I make a whole point of doing that? Was that a fucking dream that I had? I could have sworn that I, like, made a whole point of, like, changing how the subsurface scattering works such that instead of having a color, it would have a strength. What am I looking at then? Oh, this is a completely, like, bespoke thing. Main, like, skin.gd shader, maybe? Maybe that would work? And then we can have a different subsurface color that's, like, more, you know, better suited to whatever we're doing. And so now, if, for example, I did this, it might work. Like, let's change this to be like a little darker, maybe. Well, I'm not terribly impressed with the modeling, admittedly. I think the next step is to make the models look good. Oh, also, these need, Man, what do I actually need for these? Like, her hat doesn't have the correct materials. And I think what it needs to be is, so if we go to hat... Material... If material count greater than 1, set that to hair material. Oh yeah, let's do actually m dot set surface material 0 to coat material. I'm unsure how I want to do this. Invalid get index hair on base dictionary. What? It's completely fucking nonsensical. Like, because we have hair in here as a thing that exists, and clearly it exists because we have this. Okay, what if we just put this under refresh? Or like, we just put all of this under this as well? On base nil with amount of type float. No, it's not of base nil. Well, let's at least put that at the very bottom, so that way it does everything else first. Okay, so now we have what I wanted, which is a consistent material for the hair and the outfit, or like for the hat and the outfit. And then I can have like a third material. Actually, I should probably just make it work the same way that the other one does, where there's like, you know, one default material. So I guess it'd be like if m.getMaterial surf. I have a good idea. Bar s equals this. That way, we can remove a little bit of code duplication. Then if s greater than 2, m.set surface material to coat material. And we don't have that here. Even though I think in 99% of circumstances, I'm going to have just a coat material. But that means that if we go to, so if we go back to NPC, no, go to the hijab. Basically, we just add a new material here. And then I guess that's fine. We're just going to set all of that to that one. Where'd her hair go? Invalid set index this, and set index that. Big amount. We don't need that. So why is her hair gone? Who stole her hair? Who keeps stealing this poor woman's hair? Because we have the hat. Invalid set index big amount. Also, that's just straight up wrong. We literally have big here. Oh, it's probably because it's nil. Yeah. And that's because here... No, we have it. What? Anim tree, animation tree equals get node anim tree. Yeah, so that should be just perfectly fine. If anim tree, else no anim tree missing. Get path. Oh, wrong button. Actually, yeah, and I gotta remember, will this, like... Yeah, this poor lady, somebody stole her hair. Somebody stole your hair, lady. Where'd they put your hair at? Also, I don't get how there's duplicate NPCs, but oh well. Oh, I see. If we're not in the tree, we should not do this. Actually, I have a good idea. If not is inside tree, or not engine dot editor hints return. Okay, because it might be because that set and get is like the properties are set when an object is initialized as well. Okay, that was it. I guess somehow. I don't know how that fixed it. Oh wait, but it didn't fix her hair. Or it like unfixed the hat mesh. Or like the material. I do prefer having like the two separate materials, but I think that's going to be more advanced than I want. You know, to have two separate materials for, you know, two pieces of fabric on a character. Yeah, so what the hell's up with this now? Oh, it's probably because I need to re-import the hat, because this did not save its... No, it did save its export settings. What? So what is this under? Characters, female, head, wear, hijab. So, what, do I gotta... Surface 1? It's gotta save all three of them. Like, come on, you throw me a fucking bone here. Okay, whatever. Let's flip the order of the outfits around then. So we're just gonna do set 0 to the coat material. Set 1 to the other material. Okay, player. Or like proof of concept. So yeah, hats have coat material, then hair material, and everything else has coat material, then skin material, then whatever materials it wants. And that means we go to the here. No, we go to base fem. We're going to swap these two around. So we're basically just going to do that and that as they were. And I think that means that all I need to do okay. Not quite. Okay. I mean, it worked in this, so it's like, okay. Like, I don't know where the things aren't getting the materials set properly. Let's just do, like, if s greater than 0. Oh, wait, that makes sense, actually. Because if there's no mesh, there's no surfaces. Okay, let's try generating another coat. Or, I guess, generating the gradient and the coat and the... I wish I could just... Can I, like, clear this? Okay, I can't clear it. I just have to scroll through 7 quadrillion entries. There we go. And then we can do another preview. Beautiful. And then, does she have the, like, prop... There, okay, so she does have a bit of fabric. And, oh, I see. This coat needs, blue, what is it actually? Default, I think. Detail albedo. Yeah, and eventually I need to do, like, something to make probably just like a big atlas texture of all the materials. Let's put that in here. One more point. -1 point. Okay, models, then like materials. A big atlas of common materials. So like sandal, leather, other things, I'm sure. So I guess let's try making a separate NPC, like a separate woman. Bald. Why is she so bald? Like, isn't the hair supposed to follow the character? I mean, I guess we can just, Why is she bald? What? Let's make this a local resource, actually. Make this one unique. Scroll past every single option in the entire world. Because we're going to have, for example, loose. So we're going to have loose pants. Loose shirt. Maybe even, dare I say, ponytail. Let's not do ponytail. That'd be a little too wild and wacky. Do we have... What kind of iris do we have? We have a blue iris. And then let's clear the coat. And then generate a different hair color. Maybe like just even darker. Like a dark... Actually, we should check to make sure that the hair works. Let's go to ponytail. hair, and then we will not have any headwear. And then this one, that is a horrendous looking material. Let's try again. Just, where's her coat? Where's her awful coat? It's so long, it can't even scroll to it. It can't even scroll down all the way to actually, like, clear it. Oh, wait, I think it's probably... Hang on. Okay, that was the reason. It wasn't able to keep up with my wild shenanigans. Okay, it's also like an insane, like, pink hairstyle. I should probably make it, like, not so utterly horrific looking. Wait, why is it, like, the most, like, brown in the entire world when it's basically completely black? It's like if there's 1 micron of black, or like, that's a very strange, like, shader. Hang on, I'm gonna have to, like, I'm just gonna put that in bugs of just like, there's something wrong with the shader, -1 point. Again. Okay. Bugs, hair gradient. Gets extremely bright. Oh, and also I see we did not make the eyes. We needed to make the eyes and the ears and the nose and the mouth all unique. Actually, wait, hang on. There we go. And then make unique. And that means that we can then regenerate her outfit. And she should also be, you know, fixed up. YouTube. Did you die again? It did. The bastard. Okay, so one is bald. Okay. A little better. Oh, but the scarf is a separate material. Okay, well, at the very least, hang on. Let's make her skin, like, green or purple or something. So that I can actually, like, tell them apart. Or, like, really bright. Like, or, yeah. She'll be the sickliest green that the world has ever known. Okay, so now we have a system for women that kind of works. She's inexplicably bald in here, but that's okay. Admittedly, this does kind of cast into obvious contrast the fact that Jackie is, like, a completely artificial construct. Or, I guess what I should say is, like, she's a completely different art style than the other ones. Like, because they have the little drawn-on eyes that very obviously float off their head from the wrong angles. And their eyes are a little too low on their heads. I mean, that's just more of a modeling concern. Which I guess I should start thinking about. Also, why are they, like, they're, like, slightly lower? Oh, I see. Because the collisions are slightly too low. Because if we look here... Yes, that's it. We need that about there. And then they'll actually, like, pop up off the ground. Maybe, if they feel like it. But okay, so we have some... We have a system It's kind of obvious that they're the same character in different clothes, but that's okay. Oh, wait, actually, I want to also check the height of the character. And that's going to be tricky because that also should alter the, like, collision size. Oh, right, that doesn't even work yet because I don't have that set up. So yeah, I put myself in an awkward position with the characters having, like, different styles. Well, not that awkward, really. I can just draw big eyes on the characters. But okay, I've kind of got this working now. What I would really love is to figure out where the fuck I put my other, like, body reference for the characters. But oh well. Wait, what are replacements? Oh, I see. Okay, so this is all, like... Do we need... Oh, wait, no. That's fine. Outfits? So... Oh, I should start, like, moving this stuff to its proper locations, like redoing all the save paths. I'll just put that in here as, like, I don't know where to put it. I think what I'm going to do... Close that. Let's save that. -1 point. So yeah, all of our animations. Sitting, standing, jump, fall, walk, run, scale, grow. I think I'll just do a scale grow. I think I'll just have the characters, like, have some defaults. Well, no, I do actually need to shrink them. Well, no, I only need to shrink them for one specific instance where Jackie's mom is small. So I don't need that. And then we have that set up. And then we don't need that anymore because we got that. And so we have the base. We have the hijab. We also need, let's do the male body now. So it'll also need the full thing. Or like the, whatever it is. Like long fabric. But okay. Concept art. Player? Jackie, maybe? Trying to figure out where I even put anything. Because nothing is in here except for the female base. Or like Jackie's mom. Where did I put everything? Maybe it's under D16, Jack 4 concept art. Maybe I put like it in the wrong place. Take your time, Godot. No, this seems to have even less stuff. It's like, is there like male? Body? Base? Character? Human? Okay. I named it humans.kra and I did not organize it at all. Oh yeah, that also means I should go to the actual, like, folder that I'm looking at. Concept art. Humans. Jeez Louise. Not even... Okay, Jesus Christ. Open file location. concept art environment. What am I smoking? What is wrong with me? No wonder I couldn't find the fucking thing. I swear to God, it feels like sometimes I'm like a 4-year-old. But okay. So basically, I also decided, originally I drew them taller, but I think what I'm going to do is just draw, like, design them at the same height as the human character, or like the female characters. So I think what I'll do is just grab this. Try to make it reasonably symmetrical. And if I want characters that are taller than Jackie, I'll just do the same thing that I did where I have the body scale up and the head scale up at a slower rate, since that's exactly what I did for this revised version. And the only difference is, you know, slightly wider neck from the original. Because this was what I originally drew, and then I was like, well, I should actually have the scale. But okay. Let's see, where is this going to save to? Oh yeah, my devlog. Concept art, characters, male, base, PNG. So now we actually get into some modeling. Oh wait, no male base side. Oh wait, I need the I should probably figure out what the outfit is actually going to be, because I can use the base mesh as an outfit. Oh wait, but that means I should also have... Hang on. We need to add sleeves to this outfit, otherwise it's going to be... I took 1 point of damage again. Okay. Add sleeves to the base outfit. Okay. New, general. And we'll have a, this new collection. Link. So, I guess base fem, collection. Collection. And then we can do... Well, do I need a library override? Not really. But what I will add... empty image reference. So this is like back, or like front. Where do I set the image actually? Characters, no, concept art. Characters, male base. Huh. Their head is his head is a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be, to match the actual like size of the characters. I don't understand how I'm going to even make this work now. I mean, I guess I can just give them a huge fucking head, but... Nah, whatever. They'll look like a buff 8-year-old at their default height. I guess I gotta remember, this is also like the shortest possible version of the characters, and then they get taller from here. Okay, image, reference. Not that one. I guess. Wait, what? Characters, male base side. That's what I needed. Yeah, the like difference in proportions is kind of insane. Also, I think these are kind of like, I guess they're proportional now. Hang on. Now maybe? I think I need to like attach, like I need to line up one pair of lines and then set the, oh, there we are. These are all fucked up. Eh, that's good enough. Okay. So from here, where do we go to make our masterpiece? I guess for now I'll hide her. NPC male fem. Or NPC base male. I'm thinking what I'm going to do is just, let's mirror this. So this is NPC base male, full body. Oh, and then we clip. Okay, so what I'll start with is the outline. I'm gonna think. Nah, I'll just go for it. Because I still should have gotten the like design of the outfit, but I think I can do that after I like do the base stuff here. Admittedly, this is also I shouldn't go too crazy with this outline, actually. Hang on. Like, hands should be a totally separate thing. Especially since I'm probably going to do the three little... Oh yeah, I guess I kind of have to do basically like the finger, like the forefinger and the rest of the fingers all as one to match the rest of the characters. Okay, and yeah, next thing I need head shapes. I think each character is going to have a unique head shape and unique eyes. And then there'll be like a few other like defaults. But okay, and I don't know if this is a good idea, just doing what I'm doing now, where I'm just drawing the outline of the character. Almost certainly not, right? Yeah, I mean, this can't be a good idea. I guess I could certainly do worse. Yeah, because I mean, it's fine. I'll keep it as it is. And for now, I'll just ignore the fact that I need the, whatever it was, the other materials. Or, like, their actual outfit. Okay. Now let's just fuck it up. Why does the Y button not work? Oh, I'm just stupid. I'm using T. Okay, let's do like a... Let's move this back to like there. Alright, so is this in the right place? Kind of. Basically, this needs to be back a little bit, like about there. Which means that I should probably just move this. Like, there, probably. I mean, I guess really what I should have done is just move this entire thing back slightly, since that's all I've wound up doing. Okay, and let's keep all of these, like, where they should be, or where I want them to be, like that. Yeah, okay. Yeah, this is already a terrible idea, I can feel it. But oh well. Oh. Move these. Okay. That seems okay. Yeah, I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay, let's get this to median. This one, median point. I keep pressing R instead of E. Oh well. Okay. Do I want... I think I do want. Basically, make this a hexagonal shape. There we are. Almost. Hmm. Let's get all of these. Okay. Now I'm thinking it's sort of like coming together. A little bit. Slowly and surely. What is this? Yeah, that's fine. I think the real question is how am I, like, there's some chicanery going on here. Okay, put that at the wrist. Good enough. Okay, so how do we attach a person's forearm, or like a person's shoulder to their deltoid? Because it's probably not going to be like this. I should probably have at least like a little bit more like stuff in here, like something here I'm thinking. And it'll go like around like this. These guys are gonna have freaking like bazookas for arms. Because this isn't even including like I guess that's fine for now. So I think that. And then do I want to maybe like just attach it like this? Fill in this gap here? Because it's kind of... I think I need an extra one. And then if we smooth this, we should probably have a little bit of like order in the chaos here. Maybe a little bit of like a tricep versus bicep like proportion here. And then we should probably not have like 500,000 miles of chest here. It feels a little excessive now. Oh, I know what would make sense. Probably to just push this inward then. Since this is like where the body, you know, connects here. Do I want this here? I guess for now I'll keep that. Cursor to... let's just push that in. In fact, we can just... hang on. I'm already realizing we're kind of like exaggerating quite a lot. And I don't need to like get the abdominal muscles like perfectly aligned here, because that's like not even part of the body that I'm going to be like rendering ever. Okay, let's try like maybe like the ab area then. So like if we have like this here for the legs. So it'd be like... I said we don't even need to model the abs, and then I'm like sculpting like this section here. Ah, well, I guess it helps to like figure out what this is actually going to be for the body. Do I want, like, to bother with more detail in here? I guess not really. What I'll do for now is just kind of smooth this out, so that way there's no, like, weird deformity. Because we're not making, like, the perfect male form here. We're just sculpting, like, the base of the body. Feeling like... is this necessary? Not really. Well, I guess kind of, in the sense that, like, I should be doing this. So that way I have a bit more geometry here to work with for the legs, for example. You know, because eventually this is going to be all the way actually out here. Oh, I see. I understand now. I should basically just not be using the innermost like part of the thigh for that. Because this is basically like right here. And then who even knows how that's all going to connect together. Yeah, I think I've chosen like an insane path for doing this. Ah, well. Yeah. For now, let's just accept some bad edge flow there. I mean, it's not like I need like perfect loops for that part of the body. Well, there's some like... there we go. That's fine. Anything more that I want here? Not particularly. Okay. So now we have, like, an okay contour for the chest. I don't like this edge here. I think what I should do, actually, I just realized what I should do. Cut a loop here. And then that'll go down like that. And then that way this whole segment here can be like its own little world, doing its own little thing. And then it'll just like go down here. Okay, so where is the leg going to be here? I think it's going to be... It's like I'm retopologizing, but it's like an invisible mesh. It's a mesh that exists only in my mind palace. I'm trying to imagine like where the scene, like where the body would be. Like for example, I know that this whole band here needs to come quite a bit back. But okay. Let's try... Oh, wait. I think here it'd be almost like straight on. Like a little bit of like... Why is it going so far forward? I don't like that. I don't want that. Yeah, Blender, keep... Just stop keeping to do that. Okay, and then also here, let's just scale this down. Which way does the foot go again? They tilt a little inward, so like, like this, and then like, yeah, they kind of curve, kind of like that. Let's move these inward. Yeah, see, that vaguely approximates a human foot. That's pretty good. And for now, perfectly flat feet. There's not a man in the world with a flatter foot than this man. Keep it as it is. There we go. Yeah. Basically good enough. Good enough for me, at least. And I gotta remember also, these feet are gonna be replaced in basically every mesh because they're all gonna have like different shoes. So they just need to be good enough to be like a reference. Do I need that there? Feels like overkill. Like, I could just remove this. Boom. There we are. And now we're ready to start, like, catapulting up to the stars. Man, imagine the, like, beautiful world that I'm gonna inflict on myself once I actually see all of this, like, as a mesh. Because honestly, it is kind of coming together. Then we're going to need the back here. Yeah, because this is the first time that I've ever tried to model this way, by like drawing out the outlines and then filling them in. And I think, at least for like my style of like not very high fidelity modeling, it's been working pretty well actually. Oh wait, what the heck is this? Oh, this was we don't need that anymore. That was where I thought all of this was going to connect. Though we do actually need a line there then. And that means this whole thing can go this way. And actually, I could use that for better, like, edge flow, but I'm not going to, because that'd be more work. Let's just push things around like that. There we go. What I actually want is this to go in like that, I think. And then a little bit of, like, pushing out like this, so that way it's not, like, linear. Yeah, okay. And then we attach that there. See, because now we have all of this contour. This guy is going to be like extremely stocky. Especially once we have to put the head in to match the existing one. Like that's such a like... Oh yeah, also I see we should do... Let's put them in approximately the same position. 0.02 negative. 0.03. Okay, that seems about right. GY 0.05 negative. So it'll be a little bit of an awkward fit for that head. Ooh. Where does this vertex go? Does it go up to here? You know, put something in between these two and do like 3 of these, and then... I guess that kind of works. And then I don't think we need this to like do anything funky. Well... Yeah, I'm not sure the relationship between, like, the abs here and, like, this part. Let's just, like, fill it in and see how I feel about it. Yeah, the obvious defect is this seam here, which should have an extra ring for the armpit. And then I think that means that it should have an extra ring going up here. And this seems forgivable. I think the chest is a bit too, like, droopy. Like, this isn't, like, pectoral muscle. This is just, like, flab now. Like, I think maybe it needs to push in a little bit more. And then I'll need to figure out, like, what fat and, like, skinnier bodies would look like on this frame. But that'll be more of like a rigging question. I should also figure out how I'm going to do women with smaller bodies as well, or like different proportions. Oh, wait. Wait, why is this? Oh, I see. There we are. Okay, do I have any strong opinions on this shape so far? I don't like how the stomach bulges so much, so I'm just going to push that in. You know, I want this to just be kind of like the average build. Like, not a particularly, well, I mean, because I guess they're going to be inherently, like, heroically proportioned, kind of. Since that's just what was there. But okay, let's put in the back, and let's see how I feel. There are many questions as to how I feel about various things. Okay, so let's see. There's my point. So I think I'm just going to do a little bit in compared to like the most outer like area here. And then I don't really need to like cheek him up, but I probably will just for the sake of like proportions. So do I need this anymore? I don't think I do. Okay, and I think this is going to be about the like actual farthest extent that the body extends out backward. Well, except for here, it'll be a little bit like, yeah, like there, basically. Let's do... yeah, about there. That seems fine. And you know what? I don't need too much of a back seam now that I think about it. Because again, the character doesn't need to be like naked. They just need to be like, sort of like if they were wearing tights, essentially. In fact, I'm going to push this out a little bit, because otherwise the back seam is going to just kind of distract me from the overall shape of the body. Ah, well. Probably a little too much there. So do I want another, like, ring around the rosy here? I guess I should, yeah. I should at least have, like, this kind of. How does this actually, like, come together? I guess that's fine. And also, I think this is too much. I think we're just going to push this entire chest area inward. And then maybe push this a little bit outward. Yuck. I don't like this, though. Nah, I'll just keep it as it was. I think this is going to be, yeah, that'd be a little too much like spread there. What exactly do I want here? I think I want that, and then this comes in like that. And then we just have this kind of fucked up triangle there on the back. Because that kind of also fakes the lats. Then what do I do about this, though? Probably have this come in a little bit more. Well, because I like the exaggerated deltoids. Alright, that seems fine. Then let's bring this out a little bit. So I think probably need this to be a little bit further back to match the actual, like, butt. Alright, that seems fine. I think we need a, like, line here and then here. We don't need it so exaggerated, but... Oh, I see. We actually need it quite a bit further here. So quite a bit less exaggerated, even. And I'll kind of follow these contours. Or, like, those edges. To make sure we have, like, not too much issue merging this all together. Okay, that seems okay. Do I need more loops in here? Yeah, I do, definitely. Like this one, for example, could be something. Guess we can have something in between these two. It's strange how, like, far these edges come out. Oh, well. Yeah, like, they're just going in crazy directions that don't feel like they're at all, like, representing, like, what I'm intending with them. Oh, wait, wrong thing. This thing. There we are. Yeah, like, there it kind of is doing what I want. That's good. So I think I don't need this one. Does this actually go all the way back? I guess it does. Okay. The calves are a bit smaller than I think they should be. But that's, again, another thing that can also be, like, outfit dependent. Like, maybe there's just some dudes with huge thighs. Especially since I don't have to, like, have characters be able to switch outfits. I can just do whatever I want within the framework that, like, the animations allow me. Or, like, the rigs. Since that's really the only reason that I need them to even be, like, common meshes. But okay. I think here, now it's gonna be like, maybe like this. Then, would that do too much there? I'll keep this as it is for now. And I'll do like, something fucked up like this. Actually, I can just move this a little bit to the left. Because I think... Yeah, I think this will be about good. Yeah. Let's double check that this is where it is. Or where I want it to be. Basically. Yeah, that seems good enough. Okay. Let's try to... Wow. Already there's like a bunch of like fucked up stuff. Dissolve vertex. I don't need this one. Or no, we do need these two, actually. We just need him in a slightly different position. Actually, I have an even better idea. Just make this moved up. Yeah. Perfect. And then I'll just have to figure out how to, like, deal with this strangeness. I don't even know what these are. Like, I'm gonna move this here. Close enough. Those feet are so fucked. Well, he's wearing shoes. It's fine. Okay. Fill it in. Kind of fucked up. I don't know what happened back down here. Oh, I see. Just dissolve this vertex. Well, what do I want to do here? I guess I can fill it in like this. And then we'll just have crimes to answer for here. You know, basically be like, I'll just put this here. Boom. Okay, we got a guy. I'm gonna make his butt less distractingly, like, polygonal. Okay. So I think the chest, I feel, is a bit too, like, it's too exaggerated in this direction. Did my mic just, like, peak? I don't know. Okay. But I'm thinking, I think I had the right idea when I was like, this is too much, like, inward. Or, like, that is too far forward. So I think we can just hide this one now, and we can just focus on, like, what do I want out of this that I don't have with this? I don't need to sweat the details. I'm still distracted by, like, all the, like, subtle fucked upness with it. But, like, that, for example, yeah, kind of bad. Pretty bad feet. But okay. Let's just get... Oh my god. Let's append a head. Let's do, like, object, head. And then we don't need anything else here because we can just do, like, an alt. Like, Control P, no, Alt P, clear parent. And then we don't need a single other thing in here. Also, I'm unsure if this is, like, too far forward for this. Wow, why is this so, like, detailed? Like, I put way too much way too many polygons in here, especially for how bad it is. Ah, well, whatever. I just need it for reference. In fact, I need these back to make sure I understand where the neck is going to be. This is like a massive neck. It's like Krillin. Okay, I'm thinking smaller neck. Also, I'm thinking probably actually we need a separate like loop here. Let's just move this in. So wait, yeah, there we go. Now we can have like a bit more of like a pull in here. And then we'll have kind of the action figure neck, where it's just a little like round stub. Well, cursor to world origin, selection to cursor. Well, I guess we don't need this to be like exactly lined up with their mesh, but I should probably use it as a reference. Because it's a pretty bad, like, head. As I said, like, 15 times now, but oh well. Okay, now what I want is the hands, and I'm lazy. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab her hands. And then, as before, I don't need any of this stuff. And I just need there we go. You know, I'm realizing this guy has quite a bit of a different, like, hand position. Actually, I should probably make his pose a little bit similar. Like, I'm worried now if I, like, if I put the character's arm rotation, like, there, and then we did, like, inner region, and we rotate by the cursor. Like, how much should I have the character's arms rotated outward? I think maybe by this much, and then, like, have, you know, stuff come in together like this. Because the characters will, by default, mostly just have their arms down. They don't have too many action poses, so I should think about that when I'm, like, designing the idle pose and designing everything around it. Yeah, because now I don't like how this rotation turned out. I think it's just rotating from the wrong place as well. Well, because you... you know what? Well... I'm thinking it should be just a smidge, yeah, a smidge further out. I think this is about right. And that way we can have this a little bit better. Okay, median. Also, is this song, like, gonna end? Okay. It literally ended, I think, as I said that. Oh, what was I designing for? The fucking PlayStation 5 with this? Look at this fucking mess. I was fucking designing for Nanite over here. Look at this thing. What the fuck is this? This is why you should never, like, reuse work. You should always make it from scratch. Because you see the horrible mistakes that I've made now. Do we need this at all? Yeah, that's just... I guess we do need these for finger flexing, but they do feel like they're... Like, they could be like that, for example. I'm also questioning, like, how long the arms should be, because now I'm realizing they were, like... Hang on. Alt-Z. Yeah, because the start of the fingers was about there, but now the start of the fingers noticeably lower. But I don't want to make his hands smaller, because that'd be... In fact, if anything, his hands should be a bit larger. Okay, so I'm thinking probably this whole thing. And then, like, the elbow needs to be a little bit more inward. Okay, that's fine. Also, I'm seeing we don't need any materials here. We don't need that at all. Okay, now the ultimate question. How do we merge these two together? Well, you know, this actually went reasonably fast. It's about 9:12 now, so I'm pretty close to wrapping it up for the day, but could have been worse. You know, because I've only been modeling this guy for about an hour. Do I need this at all? I think I do. I think it'd be a bridge too far to say that, like, I don't need this. Okay, I think I'm gonna do, though. Put that there. Deal with the consequences of it later. Yeah, we just got kind of a weird little system going on here, I think. Where it's kind of like these little equilateral triangles. Do I need this? Oh yeah, I still need that. I do think some of these like little edges are just unnecessary though. Okay. A horribly fucked up little system here. No clean edge, not a single like edge loop in sight. But I don't really need this for anything. Thanks. Yeah, I have done... It's nice to do character stuff again, because I can do it surprisingly quickly. I suppose it is that thing of, like, anything's easy if you do a bad enough job. And I'm the king of that. There we are. I don't like the proportions of his neck. They looked neat in the drawing, but I think now... What's the difference, actually? I mean, I guess the difference is his head is way bigger. Oh, also his neck is just, like, so wide here. And there's, like, it's so lumpy as well. Yeah, this is the most horrendous neck I've ever made. It's got like a mighty grundle. Okay, I think about there. And yeah, I think I should probably just remove the faces entirely here. So that way I can just have this like go down like this maybe. And then I can square up this face a bit, since this is just taking like the female face and like... Let's just do like a little bit of that. Why is this not like... I'm trying to understand why this face wasn't mirrored. Did I do some... Oh yeah. No, wait, no. Eye blinking isn't a reason. Because the player needs their face to not be mirrored for eye blinking, but... And let's just do like a standard, like, wider nose, bigger brow, probably. Slightly larger ears, maybe? And then maybe a little bit of this classic, like, chin motion thing. Do I want to put a rig in now? Not really. Let's export this bad boy. Characters. Where's all the characters? Where did I put all this stuff? Oh wait, did I even save this? I did, okay. Jak 4, project, GLB, characters, male. So we have the 5 genders: female, Jackie, little guy, male, and mum. And mum is actually redundant now. Well, no, actually she has unique meshes. Placeholder, okay. So now we can have base male. That purple is crazy. Okay, outfits. NPC base male. And then we can kind of take everything from here for the new NPC. Change type. Kinematic. Okay. Now everything except the female form. How much can I rig in 10 minutes? If I just append the armature, so we don't need a single one of these. Actually, we kind of do. New. This will be like bone shapes. So the only things we don't need, those. Oh, we do need his head. So I think kind of everything here, we can just... I'm gonna have to figure out where these go. Oh, and I just... Oh, wait, okay, good. These are mirrored. Wait, how does that work? I didn't realize it could do that. What is this? Oh, sleeves? I guess for now, I'm just gonna delete those. Wow, the biceps are like... Yeah, these guys have like way bigger hands. Or like way bigger arms. Also, I think we need octahedral for now. What is this actually? Oh, hand target. Ooh, actually. So I need everything in here. There we go. And I think, oh yeah, they do need to be scaled up a little bit. Which, that's, oh, I see. Median point. There we go. It's gonna be hard to figure out how to like properly position all this stuff. Okay, and this should also mean... I wonder if I can retarget animations. How well that would work. I guess I won't test that for now. Because it's also... It'd be kind of good to have distinct animations for male and female frames. But I guess it'd be good for, like... getting started with it. Or, like... Yeah. And also we can have... So the men have way smaller legs. Or like way shorter legs. There we are. I think the rest of this is kind of good. Because we do need this sort of skirt front. It's not actually going to be... I'll keep it as it's named, though. Otherwise it'll get too confusing for me. Okay, I guess this kind of works. Let's put, Okay, let's also make the eyebrows bigger to enforce rigid gender norms of men having larger eyebrows. Admittedly, I should also have made the bones for the female eyebrows bigger, and then just use, like, smaller meshes for smaller brows. But okay. Is there, like, anything that I'm missing? Oh, wait, I see. These were too subtle for me to even see. Okay, cursor to selected. Origin. 0? Oh wait, no, not individual origins, median, or 3D cursor. Because I want to scale this to match the knee. Cursor to selected, S shift Y 0. There we go. Okay, I kind of did it. I think now if I just get this, get this, get this. Let's just do automatic weights. Let's see how that looks. It's probably gonna look pretty bad. Yeah, could be better. And then we can have this move up, or we can have this move up. You know, it half works, I think. I think the bicep is kind of in the wrong position. I'm never really sure how to do, like, position the bones. There's so much stuff that goes into, like, weight painting. Or, like, yeah, just skinning a mesh of, like, is the bone in the wrong position, or are the weights wrong, or is the model wrong? Like, does it have bad geometry there? All sorts of stuff. But, I mean, this... vaguely functional. Oh, but I will do, we can just remove anything that is not the head. In fact, we can just do weight paint. Can I just... oh, I can. Remove. And then here, we just assign all of that to that. There we are. Anything else? Oh, I saw it. Okay, we don't need brows here. Because the brows are just going to be the eyebrow meshes that, like, float on top of the head. And that's just for ease of implementation for me. Okay. I'm pleased as punch with that. I actually rigged the character in 9 minutes, and I thought I couldn't do it in 10. Oh, wait. But what's that behind him? Not quite. Okay, interesting. I appreciate that. Oh, I see. I need to do that. There we go. Okay, and then we can go to, like, NPC mail. There we go. Well, I mean, admittedly for me... Oh wait, hang on. We need, temporarily editable children. Then we get that. And then we do not editable children. Beautiful. Okay. So I think that kind of gets the... I guess I'll say that that's the base model. I took another point of damage for that. Base, because then we'll have... The next ones will be like the actual characters. So like a button-down shirt, polo, traditional wear, and then probably hats as well. Let's put those in here. So like hairstyles, well, for women there's not really anything, so let's just say men's styles. So like 3 hats. Oh yeah, different beards. Oh, men need beards. And like different facial hair. I'll think on that. I'll have to add an extra slot to the mesh, I think. Okay, let's clean up all this. New outfits, or like new base NPCs for human characters. And then I'll close up this so that way I don't accidentally make some, like, change it again. And let's close up this as well. Well, I'm happy I found this. And also, they don't look as bad as I was worried about. Let's save that. Because I was worried the male characters would look really disproportionate, but they just look short. And that's fine. They're the shortest version of themselves. Once I get the, like, height variation, that'll look fine. Oh, wait. Commit M. New, base NPCs. Yeah, that's exactly what I want. Thank you, PowerShell. Okay, I guess that'll be it for today. I'll be back tomorrow with more characters. I'll do, like, the actual specific character designs. And then we'll put them in the game, and that'll be surely only, like, 1 hour of work to model, like, 8 characters. But okay. See you then.